Are you looking for the best ATV ramp? In this video, we will break down the top 5 ATV ramps on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Black Widow Dual Runner ATV Ramp. The ramps include adjustable safety straps for security and rubber-coated mountings to prevent your truck or trailer from getting scratched. It's easy to load your ATV or UTV on a truck or trailer using these lightweight aluminum ramps. They are rated to hold 750 pounds per ramp and feature an arch that ensures there's enough ground clearance so your ATV doesn't bottom out. There are 3 inches of space between each rung of the crossbars, ensuring good traction while loading even when the tires are wet and muddy. These ramps are very sturdy and stay in place when you're moving the ATV. In addition, all of the welds are very well done. The ramps are light enough to carry both at once, and they fold in half for storage. At number 2. Posse PP2755P. These loading ramps are lightweight, durable, weather-resistant, and built from 6063 aluminum. Weight is 33 pounds. Heavy-duty hinges, joints, and crossbars are welded. This allows for the ramps to be folded and unfolded countless times without malfunctions. The ramps are 11 inches wide and 89 inches long, wide enough to load your mower, dirt bike, motorcycle, ATV, trailers, mountain bikes, four-wheelers, and garden tractors into your standard size truck or van. These ramps have a load capacity of 750 pounds each, a combined rating of 1500 lbs. Load and unload your ride worry-free. It is equipped with an EZ grip finger-shaped rubber truck rest to prevent vehicle and tailgate damage. No sharp edges, the ramps come equipped with tie-down straps for safe and worry-free loading. This pair of ramps are built for performance. The angles and design reduce abrasion to your load, and create an excellent resistance to pressure and perfect balance. The ramps are easy to use, simple and straightforward. Simply unfold and use. They are compatible with most vans and trucks and get the work done quickly and effectively. The ramps are 46 inches when folded, will fit in most back seats for easy carry and easy storage. At number 3. Yutrax TX103 Tri-Fold Ramp. This ramp is equipped with thick rectangular side rails that won't bend even under extreme weights. Its adjustable straps keep it firmly in place, while the rubber-coated tabs protect a truck's tailgate as you move your equipment on and off. Manufactured from high-strength, lightweight aluminum with an overall weight of 28 lb, making them easier to handle. Heavy-duty hinges and joints that are welded, not riveted, giving you peace of mind. 1750 lb. Weight capacity will easily support your ATV. When in use, it sports a length of 69 inches and a width of 50 inches and folds to 17.5 inches in width for easy transport and storage. Extruded rectangular side rails resist bending, while the taller rectangular cross-section supports more weight. Rubber-coated tab attachment points support the ramp on the vehicle without scratching. Includes adjustable safety straps to secure the ramp to your vehicle. At number 4. Triton Ramps Aluminum Arch ATV Ramps. These folding ATV ramps have the added benefit of not taking up a considerable amount of space in your truck. They also only weigh 45 pounds on their own, so they're straightforward to transport and manipulate. The 10 ft long folding ramp is compatible with most two-wheeled vehicles, including motorcycles, dirt bikes, cruisers, and motor scooters. It can support a powerful weight capacity of up to 800 pounds, meaning it can handle the weight of many outdoor recreational vehicles. This utility ramp is made from solid aluminum, making it a heavy-duty yet lightweight piece of equipment, so it's perfectly portable. Its all-aluminum construction also ensures this hardware's long-lastingness and durability, so you'll get plenty of years of use from it. This ramp features an arched design for better clearance. It also has serrated crossbars, which provide greater traction. At number 5. Clevr arched aluminum truck ramps for ATVs. These 7.5-foot arched aluminum truck ramps have a 1,500-pound weight capacity. They are designed for mid-size tires, including ATV and four-wheeler tires, as well as motorcycles, snowblowers, lawnmowers, and more. The ramps come with heavy-duty load straps for safety and to prevent a collapse. These ramps weigh only 32 pounds, but can hold up to 1,500 pounds. Their weight makes it easy to put them in place and to remove them when you're done loading, unloading. The heavy-duty Clevr loading ramps are the ultimate solution when loading your lawnmower, ATV, or other four-wheeled items into a truck or trailer. The plate top design is great for loading ATVs or items with small tires. This ramp is constructed of high-quality 6061 aluminum for superior durability and portability.